With thousands of face masks on the market, which face mask is right for you? Hi everyone, I'm Sue from Sue Very Designs, and today I'm covering my 3 face mask video tutorials so that you can decide which one is best for you. The first up is the Creative Grids face mask template. This face mask is based off of an acrylic template. It's really easy to make, it's breathable, comfortable, and it's great for those of us that do wear glasses. It does come with multiple size options and is completely reversible. In the video, I will show you multiple options of how to actually use the template for cutting and lots of sewing tips along the way. In fact, there's even a tip on how to include a nose bridge inside your face mask. This face mask is completely reversible and again, super easy to make. The second face mask video that I made is the Gaiter face mask. This includes instructions on how to make your own pattern in any size. It's super easy to make, breathable, it is totally comfortable, it is great for those of us who wear glasses, it's completely reversible, and there's lots of tips and tricks in this video for sewing with knits and even sewing in the round. And the third and final is the scarf face mask. I think of this as more of an accessory because it's basically a scarf with a face mask attached to it. It's really nice because you can wear this around your neck when you're out and about, and when you walk in places where a face mask is required, you just pop out the face mask and you are ready to enter. In this video, I'll teach you how to make your own pattern. It's really easy to make, it is really breathable and super comfortable, and it's great for those of us who wear glasses. If you want to head to my blog, you can see this easy chart which will show you all the benefits of each of the face masks. Whichever mask you choose, just know I've got you covered with a full-length video tutorial. All 3 mask videos are linked in the description below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye! Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so that you get notifications every time a new video is uploaded, and here are a couple of videos you can watch next.